the night.
Who wants night bacon? Lubba dubba. I'm so sorry, sir. This won't happen again. Shuffle.
Well, night bacon does sound pretty good, actually.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make night bacon inspired by the show Bluey from the episode Hotel. None of this night bacon is actually seen in the show, of course, since they're playing a game, so I'm taking some creative liberty to what night bacon might actually be if it were made real. This establishment that Bluey and Bingo run in the episode is a hotel, and as such it would probably have a restaurant or bar. If it is in the middle of the night, it would most likely be bar food. From quick searches online and from personal experience, usually bacon that is served late at night in restaurants or bars wouldn't be typical morning breakfast bacon. Most often it is some form of candied bacon. So that's what I'm going to show you how to make. The recipe itself is really quite simple. To start things off, combine half a cup of light brown sugar with half a cup of maple syrup. Whisk these together until completely mixed. Next, you'll need around 1 pound of thick cut bacon. Lay this on an oven-safe wire rack that is resting over top of a lined baking sheet. For easier cleanup, make sure you line the baking sheet with aluminum foil. Trust me, you will want to do this. Some syrup mix is going to drip off while baking and it will leave a bit of a stuck-on mess, so best to line with foil so you can take it off and toss it for easy cleanup. Now, it's no secret that the Healer family is a fan of meat. There are usually plenty of sausages and bacon to go around, sometimes only for special people like Mr. Monkey Jocks, but nevertheless, I would expect bacon in the Healer's fridge. Normally you can find it in mine too. After the bacon is all laid out and looking real pretty, grab your sugar syrup mix, along with a brush, and generously brush on the mixture to all of the bacon slices. You should use about half or just over half of the mixture for the first brushing. Any leftover syrup mix can be brushed on during baking later. Once all of the bacon slices have been brushed and are all looking glossy, place these into an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake these for around 15 to 20 minutes, then remove from the oven. Flip all of the slices and brush the other side of the bacon strips with the remaining sugar syrup mixture. After this, put the bacon back into the oven and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. Flip again if needed. The flipping should help with more even baking. This will take some time. Total bake time might be 40 to 50 minutes. This will greatly change though depending on several factors. Mainly, how crispy you like your bacon and how thick your bacon is. This batch of bacon I had was quite thick, so mine took close to the 50-minute mark. Check it often while baking and cook to your preference though. Once the bacon is done, let this rest until it's cool enough to handle and enjoy. This was some tasty bacon. I could definitely see this being a bit of a crazy late night snack. A great mix of savory, salty, and sweet. Bacon is already great. Add some sugary glaze on top and go crazy. My kids were really into it. They love Bluey and Bingo, so of course they took the opportunity to recreate the episode a bit themselves.
Night bacon. Night bacon.
Connor, can you say bacon?
Bacon. Bacon.
Well, now you know how to make the night bacon from Bluey, or at least my personal twist on what I think it could be. It's fun to play in the kitchen and use your imagination sometimes.
Bacon. Bacon. Bacon.
As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please consider leaving a like to this video. Also subscribe if you like Bluey. I make quite a bit of Bluey-inspired recipes on this channel and I plan to do more. Thanks again. See you next time.